Good afternoon. I'm Briggs LaSavage. Thanks for joining us. The man accused of shooting a Superior police officer and then driving into Superior Middle School was in court this morning. Northern News Now's Sydney Whitty was there and explains what happened when it was time for Dylan Wallace to enter his plea.
I was in the Douglas County courtroom this morning where Dylan Wallace appeared via Zoom and did not enter a plea. Rather, the judge entered a not guilty plea on Wallace's behalf. Wallace's attorney attended in person and waived a formal reading of Wallace's rights as Wallace stood mute on his plea for the time being. We are working to learn more about that decision and what comes next. Meanwhile, Wallace is charged with attempted murder after an incident in Superior in early December. It started with a traffic stop in response to a domestic call. Court documents allege Wallace had strangled his then-girlfriend several times before she managed to escape. Wallace was eventually pulled over and then allegedly shot at police, striking one officer. That officer was hospitalized but survived. Authorities say Wallace then drove off and only stopped once he crashed into Superior Middle School, where he stayed for several hours before he was arrested. Now, during today's hearing, a status conference for Wallace was rescheduled for June 1st at 9 a.m. In the studio, Sydney Whitty, Northern News Now.
All right, thank you, Sydney. We'll have more from the courtroom later tonight on Northern News Now. You can also find the very latest on our Northern News Now mobile app.